In this video, we'll be looking at how to withdraw funds from your Alice Blue trading account. Let's get started. First, log into the Alice Blue trading platform. Click on the funds option located on the top right-hand side of the page. Click on withdraw. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw. The payment request should not exceed the available amount. If you have multiple registered accounts, choose the account where you want the amount credited. Lastly, mention the reason for the payout. Click withdraw and your request will be processed. Payout requests made before 7 a.m. will be processed on the same working day, while requests made after 7 a.m. will be processed on the next working day. On non-working days like Saturdays, Sundays, government holidays, and extreme settlement holidays, payout requests will not be processed. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment sections below. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like, share, and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any updates from us.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.